There she is. Pam Christie on the back of that tow truck. Well, what's left of her. Just the frame and the bed, baby. This is all stuff going to powder coat tomorrow. Core support's done getting powder coated, so we're going to pick that up. And while I'm driving, I'll give y'all an update. The plan was to basically do a head gasket job, then a piping kit. The head gaskets are in. On the way out, we were gonna just put new shit in, right? New gaskets, new heads, just whatever we touch, we're gonna replace. That escalated quickly upon disassembly. The injectors were seized, scuffed up the lower valve covers, trying to get those out. So I ended up doing 100% over S&S injectors. Obviously we need the pump to go along with that, so we did a 10mm CP3 from S&S. Well, once Michael got the heads off, we did notice a score in, if I recall, it was cylinder 4 or cylinder 6. Probably would have been fine, but I don't want to probably. Got on the horn with D-Max store, ordered one of their stage 2 1,000 horsepower blocks, Callie's crank, alternate fire order cam. It's got a girdle built to the fucking walls. Diesel Performance call and got their stage 2 comp trans. All billet, input, intermediate, and output shafts. Everything was powder coated, silk satin black. We've escalated quite drastically from just a head gasket job and some bolt-ons to a full motor build, the trans build. There's not going to be many factory parts left in the end. If there are, they're powder coated, they've been blasted. powder coated silk satin black. The cab is still at the shop. The frame is at my house. I'm working on the frame, getting all the rust, the scaling, the pitting off. I'm going to powder coat now to grab some core support pieces that I dropped off last week. If these are of good quality and it's not shit powder coat job, then I'm probably going to start disassembling the frame this weekend. I want the bed off this weekend for sure. If I like the powder coat, then we'll get the frame to powder coat. So at this point, I'm just cleaning everything up, replacing parts, waiting for stuff to come in, you know, figuring out little things that I still need. My boy Chris, Nerd Nation Laser Works, he's engraving some insane stuff. A lot of my aluminum billet powder coated HSP parts. This is going to be pretty insane. This looks really fucking good. This stuff was pitted pretty bad. You can see they got most of it out, but some spots it looks really good. Other spots you could tell the substrate was chalked. These are all the brackets. These look great. Look really good. Core support. Old battery tray, new battery tray, and powder coat.